Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin and an altcoin that can be going even higher. I will explain why. Of course, before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Links in the description box and in the comment section. You can either join Patreon/MindYourCrypto, buy me a coffee, or buildmindyourcrypto.com. You can get easy profits trading 200 altcoins through an automated system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when and how much to buy and exactly when and how much to sell. You will also get personal guidance every day, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, random giveaways, Pine scripts for TradingView, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go and proceed real quickly into the technical analysis. So right now, you can see from yesterday, we had two support levels. On the daily frame, we had the 36.8, the 36K, and of course the 35.3, and in the bearish moment, the 34.2. So let's put some price labels on so you can see them by yourself. Okay, it is a simple Fibonacci retracement we draw back from the 24th January into the top of 1st February. And right now you can see that we didn't even close below the 36.8. Also, Bitcoin made something good that I wanted to see, and actually this was pretty nice. The fact here is that we had an overbought situation right now with the stochastic RSI. We went down, but we didn't crash after, and we didn't go actually even lower. The chances of crashing were minimized as well. We didn't even correct more into the next stage, which we are used to. And though not only did we correct, but we went a little bit higher. So you can see it corresponds good to the overbought situation that we had back then. And of course, we want to see further price action because with the other risk metrics, we do not hold a significant risk. And therefore, this could lead to a point where we won't care about the stochastic RSI anymore. That's our point right there, not to care about the stochastic RSI and to move even higher, getting the other risk metrics such as the RSI above the 70. We want to have an overbought situation with the RSI on the daily because that would mean that Bitcoin would be going towards our next target, which could be the 46-47K. Good news today for Bitcoin. And of course, that doesn't mean though that onto this today or tomorrow we are going for sure above the 39.2. It means though that it corresponds good to the price. Therefore, you might see a further drop, for example, towards the 36K, but that is not the case we worry about right now. Do not worry about these corrections. It is not likely we get a crash right now, as we explained why yesterday. Okay, it is not likely to get a crash and go even further down. Even if Bitcoin goes sideways, okay, let's assume that Bitcoin is going sideways. That is good for the altcoins. That means that the altcoins can have the strength to go even higher and to push their price upwards. Okay, so, but at the end of the day, most of the altcoins though are being driven by the Bitcoin's price. Okay, so therefore, because many altcoins are not so strong against Bitcoin, they will be going upwards mainly because of Bitcoin's price action. But even if we go sideways, this will be good for altcoins. This will be good for many altcoins right there. And of course, we will have the swing high of relief. We are talking about towards the 46-47K. But around there, I want you to be extremely careful because around this area right here on the 46-47K, all right, we are going to have probably a very bad scenario right there. And maybe we are going to go even further down and find resistance level towards the price level on 47K around there. Might be finding some sell pressure. We might find some sell pressure on the 50K. All right, it isn't necessary that we find on the 46 or 47, but this is where my target is. All I want to say is that we are going to have a swing high, but be careful after because we might be late to reach the 69K. That's what I wanted to say. Okay. So therefore, let's go a little bit to Ethereum and then we are going back to Bitcoin. Ethereum right now is a little bit doing actually better than Bitcoin. You can see that Ethereum right here didn't care about the stochastic RSI being in an overbought. That is a good sign that is a very good sign that the altcoin can potentially go even higher. I'm expecting Ethereum to reach the 3.1k. I'm expecting Ethereum to reach again the 3.3k. Ethereum will be doing good. However, as Ethereum won't be going so easily towards the 4.8 we had, but it will go higher into some next price targets. For example, Ethereum could easily reach the 3.5k. That is a 63% compared to where we were, okay, but it could easily reach there. So, you might minimize the loss you had over the 10 November and furthermore, because we had this crash right now for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, and for other altcoins as well. We had the crash and we were going all the way down, okay, but Ethereum right there, I think that it is ready to get even higher. It is ready to get the RSI above the 70 and continue its way upwards. Okay, so altcoins will get ready as well. Bitcoin is ready maybe to go sideways and even higher as well. So I have one altcoin, the EOS right here, in which we will have a nice run, and I think that it will go higher. Why I'm saying that? Because EOS is actually going out by itself. I'm on the monthly frame, so each candlestick represents 1 month of price action. You can see that if I get this line right here, we never closed on the monthly frame below the 2.14 to 2.15. We never closed below from 2018. So right there we were at the same bottom around here back on 1st January. You can see that, and that's why I think EOS will be so ready to fly up, to go up, and to get even higher, possibly making a 30%, 40, 50, maybe more. I'm just keeping the targets low because we do not want to be greedy in this market. Okay, as you can see, cryptocurrency has its good side but has its bad side as well. You can get down, you can get further down, or you can get even higher. On the time being though, I feel like we can get even higher to 2000 to 2.14. I thought that this was 2000, but anyway, I hope that this was 2000 for EOS. But anyway, we can get up from 2.14 and we can get even higher. The total market cap will increase for altcoins and for Bitcoin. That means we are going to get a huge, very nice movement in the price action, and that's why I feel like the February would be great for altcoins and for Bitcoin as well, and I was saying that many times. Okay, so do not feel frustrated if Bitcoin, for example, moves down to 36.8k or so. If we see like a further correction, we might never see that though, and we might break now above the 38.8, which is the 20-day EMA, above the 39.2, and so on, and to move even further above to 41k. All right, so therefore this is the next target on the short term, the 41k, and possibly we could go even higher onto the next price targets. For Bitcoin, that is the case, and it is very good, as we talked about before, that we didn't care about the stochastic RSI, we didn't care about having an overbought situation. Actually, we had our correction, right? You can see that minus 5% almost, but at the end of the day, we are corresponding very good to the stochastic RSI overbought situation that we have on the daily, as we talked about before. It is a matter of what the price does into the risk metrics. So that's why we are doing a price analysis right now. How the price corresponds to the risk metrics. For example, if you do not care that you have a risk and price goes higher, then you are in an impulsive wave mode. But on the other hand, you have to be careful and you have to go to the daily and to the weekly frame to see if you have an extreme overbought situation. There you should exit, no matter if the asset will go up another 20% or another 30%. Okay, as for Ethereum, I'm very confident 3.1k could be the case in this run, maybe even more, maybe go to the 3.5. We are going to see about that. We will be going higher, and I believe that Ethereum is going to have a run. It is the first time right now, if we do not close below though the 20-day EMA, we have to not close below today, okay, but if we close above, it is the first time after so long that we will do it. 23rd December was the last time we found rejection on the 50-day EMA, and therefore this was the huge crash that we had. Right now, let's hope that we can make it above the 50-day exponential moving average around the 3.1k, so we can move forward above to the 3.5 and so on, and so on. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Links in the description. Now it is the time to get benefits. Now it is the time that the market will go upwards. Okay, thank you. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.